Okay, let's now go and design our About page. Click here, About. It's empty now. We can add some background first. So change section background. You may want to add another image, or you may want to add something else like graphic art or whatever. I suggest again to stay consistent with the rest of of the design of our website. So wine and maybe yeah, this looks nice. Let's use that one. Again, I will just do some brightening here. Okay. And start with some text, something like this. I will say our team here. Okay. This is it. Let's move it somewhere to the top, somewhere here. Let's also make it with the central alignment. The color, yeah, again, this one or a similar one. Let's add a little bit darker one, maybe like this. Okay, cool. That's it. And now let's use, oh, it didn't change. What happened? Hang on. Edit text. This is what I wanted. I must have clicked someplace else. All right. Now, I want to tell you about the typical design of About pages. You put your pictures, your photos there. You put some interesting text maybe, but a very brief one. And also you want to maybe add some links to specific other pages or specific other websites. That's what it typically looks like. So let's have some repeater here showing our team, like this one. Where are the repeaters? Somewhere here, I believe. No. Interactive list. Yeah, repeaters like this one. Let's see. Yeah, look here. You already have a repeater that shows people. That's very easy to reuse on your website. So let's start from that one, and then we can, of course, somehow change it to put our own pictures here. I won't do it right now, but you already know how to do it. You just click here, say change image, and it will show you the images you can use, or you can upload images from your computer. Maybe just for now, I can use this one or this one to set here, just in order to illustrate what we're doing here. But anyway, in this case, this is not what we want. We want to use in design terms kind of same style for all images. All right. We can change names here. We can change the roles. Yeah, maybe this is interesting to change these roles here. Maybe this lady here is the owner of this vineyard. Maybe this gentleman here is appointed as the CEO. Maybe this guy takes care of the vineyard. And this lady here is maybe the office manager. Okay. Cool. Vineyard manager. All right. Cool. So now we have our team, the pictures, the names that we can of course change here with the edit text, just like changing any other text. What else do we want to add here? Again, this is our about page. We might want to add here some nice quote, or maybe a link to another page or something. Let's start with a nice quote that shows the spirit of our team on our about page. Okay, text, maybe this one will do. And it's much too big, but let's keep it for now. Edit text, I want it centrally located here. What's the color of this? It's okay, I can live with it. Maybe it could be a bit more reddish or orangish. Yeah, let's change it to something that we already have, something like this. Okay, and the text itself. Let's put a nice quote here, but I don't want to type it. I want to reuse the one that I already know about. So edit text. Look at this. Sounds nice to me, really. But you still don't know who said this. So let's use another text paragraph here, a small one, and copy here name of the person who put it very nicely, and that was Martin Luther. So let's put it here as his name. Okay, something like this, and make it aligned with the rest of this text. Okay, cool. And yet another thing typical for the About page. Let's add a button here that when the user click the button, it takes them to another page. So add elements again, button. There are many designs of buttons here. Let's pick one that suits our needs. Yeah, this one looks okay. I'll put it somewhere down there, but I won't call it call us. I will call it contact us, like this. Okay. We can use this icon, or we can use another icon, maybe this one that I already have prepared here. Not necessarily so, but you can use this one or another one, or maybe we can stick to this emoticon here. Yeah, let's just do some redesign here. Background fills. This is too brownish for my taste. Maybe we can use something more orange, like this. Okay. So contact us. This is the button, but where does this button take us? Okay. Click here again. Change text and icon. That's what we already did, change design, but this is the link that we want to insert here. We can insert the link to another page of our website, or we can insert the link to completely another web address. It's up to you. Here on the About page, we want to insert the page that says contact. Okay. So that when the user clicks this, it takes them to your contact page immediately. Let's see what we did here. Preview. Now, this is our About page. When the user clicks contact, it takes them directly to your contact page, which we already developed. Okay. Let's publish everything now, because now we have all of these, should I call them auxiliary pages, like About, Contact. We also have the home page, and we can now design the rest of the pages for our website.